Hi, this is Jerry Guriakos, VR14CS317. This is my experiment number 9 for System Software and Compiler Lab. So this is the for this to show the working of Yak. So Yak is a parser generator. So and the full form of Yak is yet another compiler. So we have written a Yak program for simple addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So we'll take a look at this program. So every Yak program has basically three sections. One is for declarations. The second section for all the rules. That's a basic code that we write. And then after that, we are calling the subroutines. So each section is divided with two percentage symbols. So we'll take a look at this program. So here we have included the stdio.h for since we are using the C syntaxes. Then we have declared the token num. Then inside the rules for the program, we have set the rules for the line. So if a line comes, that is if syntax for the slash n comes, then we just print the we just go to the next line, and if we get slash n after an expression, then we print out the value which is our resulting value, and then we print it. So we use the $1 since it is the expression that we have to print. Then if we find the next condition if is the expression plus term, so the first value, that's the expression $1 plus $3 is added, and if it is minus, then $1 minus $3. So $1 is because the expression is in this first position, second position is the plus, and the third position is the term. Then for multiplication and division, we have the same set of coding. If we have the two terms $1 and $3, and in between, if we have multiplication, we set $, equals $1 into $3. Similarly, just like that, we do it for division. And if the particular expression appears inside a bracket, we have this code. If the operator is the opening parenthesis, and then we have the expression that is given as $2 and the closing parenthesis. So the value of $2 is taken into $. And then we have a place where we take in numbers. So numbers can be anywhere from 1 to 10. So any number of numbers are taken. Then we have calling the subroutines, the YYLX, where we check if the entered C value is a digit or not. Then we return the value of num if it is so. Then we call the function YYPass inside the main function. YYPass is indicating the compiler to pass through the program, and YYWrap is to denote the ending of the program. YYError is for if any error occurs, it returns 0. So we'll execute the program. So to execute a Yak program, we first have to enter the code Yak, the file name .y, and what it does is it creates a y.tab.c file. So now we have to compile that. So we do that by cc y.tab.c, which we see here, and we just click. Now for the output, we just do ./a.out, and now we can enter any number of values. So we do 2 plus 2. So we see the resulting value as 4. We can do 4 minus 2. Oh, that's sorry, we have to execute it again. So 4 minus 2, the resulting value is 2. We can check for the multiplication. 5 into 5 is 25. Exit and try again for 8 divided by 2. It gives the value or the result as 4. So this is the Yak program. It simulates the basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operations.